Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jules Yahya from OSPROV.com. We help organization automate their manual processes using our easy-to-use workflow process automation OSPROV software. Hi, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We continue our tutorial for today on the Laravel. I'm changing the time to make it on the morning instead of evening because I have a lot of things to do during the afternoon, and sometimes I have a late meeting. So so it's not fair to you viewers who are waiting for this tutorial because my time is not that consistent. So I'm trying to make it early in the morning. Usually, when I check my schedule in the early morning, it's quite um there's not a lot of things scheduled on in the morning, especially early in the morning, like 8:30. So this is my first time today, so sorry for starting it a bit late. So tomorrow onwards I'm going to make it consistent at 8:30. All right, so let's go move on to our usual program. Yeah, so this is our website. So yeah, this is our application that we're going to refine. So I have changed a bit on the styling here, but of course I'm not a designer, so I'm having quite a hard time. Like for example, like this icon, I want to make it white, so I tried to do some stuff in here. Unfortunately, still couldn't get through. So it's okay. I think we just move on. Not be too consumed on that too much. All right, so we have here our application. Maybe okay, originally I think there should be like a drop down here, so maybe we can customize that one. Yeah, so let's look at that. I think let's concentrate on the look and feel first. Maybe later we do on the logic. The logic, I think it's not something that I want to look at for now. So let's do on the application just to make it at least much more presentable. Maybe something similar to this original application in Ruby on Rails. All right, so let's look at this. Yeah, I think something to do with the drop down is not working. Maybe. Yeah, let's look at this. Okay. I have a base application that I'm using. Um they have under here. So let me just show you. Yeah, this is the Ping CRM application. So I think if you want, you can use this. You can use this as a base for the jet stream. However, because I want to use I create from scratch, I just copied the logic that I get from here lah. Yeah, I want the application to be something like this, but this one is for CRM, but I'm not gonna do CRM. So yeah, you have this demo application. You can even try it out if you want. Can I just go? I think I can. Yeah, something like this. Just log in. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, I'm using. But here they could make it. This is what I want to the intended result that I want to have. When I click, it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be like this. It hover the even the icon, but now mine, yeah, it hovers on the wording but not the icon. So I have no idea what's happening there. Maybe I need to debug later on. But never mind, we're getting there. So yeah, I'm using from this code base. So let me just copy it out from here. I want the drop down. It's gonna be kind of slightly different, I guess. So just copy it. Yeah, I'm gonna copy it into our drop down here. Yeah, this one is slightly different. Let me check. Let's look at this. Compare whether it's different. Button click show. Yeah, it's kind of different. So let's just remove this. This one, the one that I get from here, this one is from the default application if you scaffold the jet stream. So I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this Ping CRM, Ping CRM. But they have popper, so I'm not sure whether I have it in my package JSON. Let's look into it. Popper. Let's look at our package JSON. Whether we have. No, it's not using popper. So What else do we have here? This one I got it. Oh, they are using progress. Initial JS progress. What's that? Let's search first. Inertia JS program. Progress. Sorry. Yeah. What is this? The package adds. What is this? Progress indicator. Yeah, I think this is gonna be handy if you use this. Yeah. Yeah. Why not we use this? So let's install this. Let me just install this first. Initial JS. Yeah. Oop. Sorry. Yeah. You can see that there's an error here. It's not found, so I have to install this. So okay, let's install this first. Popper. Okay, and then what else? Let's look at our package JSON. Package JSON. I don't know whether it's JSON or JSON. Whichever is pronounced better to you, you just pronounce it, no problem. It's something like Linux or Linux. If you look at the founder is Linus Torvalds. I think he's Finnish. So Finnish pronounce U as U. They don't pronounce it like Linux. No, that one is English. They pronounce like Linus. It's not Linus. So I don't know. But a lot of people pronounce it as Linux. Some even pronounce it like Linux. So it's just a matter of this, like uh, tomato, potato, something like that. Okay, what else? npm. Okay, next one is I'm gonna install progress. Yeah, I'm gonna install this one. Initial JS progress. Hopefully hopefully it's gonna be nice. Wait, sorry. Okay. Other than that, let me just check back on my package. Is there any difference? We have view meta. We have view meta. What is view meta? View meta is not here. Tailwind I have the this one is much better. I have the latest one. I'm also using Axios. This one is for API. Okay, so let's check what is view meta. There's another package that we're missing. So let's search. What is this? View meta package. What is this? To manage your app's metadata. Okay, what's the title? Okay, view meta is blah blah blah. By Woods Miller. Okay. Okay, you can see that Vue.js gets their inspiration from React. So React, I think, is the first where you have when you look at the codes. Let's look at the codes. Okay, sorry, where's my tab? When you look at the Vue.js code, you can see that you have the template. You mean the view presentation layer and the logic in one file. Okay, if you use the normal JS, usually it's not like this. Usually the JS is somewhere else. So here, because you want to make it like this one is very like one component, and then this component will be used in another component. So that's why you have the export thing. Export is so that you can export it to the parent, the properties. They have the properties concept. So it's like a component based architecture, component based programming. Okay, let's look at our logic here. npm shows. Okay, I already done this. With meta, I I haven't read yet. Let's see what is this all about. This property, blah blah blah, override their parent component. How I'm gonna use this? Let's template meta info, blah blah blah, title, my example, title template, language. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like you trying to override the parent. Oh, okay. Ah, it's by ah. When you use this meta info, even in your child, you can override the parent, yeah, the parent parent layout or something. Even if it's deeply nested with override. Yeah, yeah, I think this is useful. Yes. So let's install this. Yeah. So let's install this. Yeah, it's gonna be handy somewhere, especially when we want to override, especially when it's in the component, smaller down, deeper component that we want to override. So let's just install this. View meta. Okay, I think portal view. Let's look at what other things that we might be missing. View meta. What else? Portal view. Okay, I think I got everything now. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, let's look back at our logic. Our drop down. I already copied this one, so hopefully this time it will work. I have this drop down. I think, yeah, div slot. But this is yeah, here this class. So hopefully this drop down class will now work as per intended, as per intention. So let's just look, because I'm using the okay. Now let's run and see how it compiles. Hopefully no more errors. Okay. Okay, guys. I think okay. Never mind. Let's look at this. A few seconds. I might have to stop this early because I have some things to do in a few minutes. But never mind. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, still compiling. Oh, maybe okay. Maybe I need to cancel my PHP artisan first. Yeah. Usually this one makes it compile faster. Right. 50%. Okay. Now let's look back at our application. It's my application. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Here. So hopefully it's gonna have that. It's going to compile that one. Oh yeah. Oh sorry. I have. It's already. No, still not compiling. Let me plug my charger in. Running out of battery right now. Okay. All right. Just running a bit slow on that one. It's okay. That's normal. Okay. Okay. Mostly in programming, you have to be patient sometimes. Yeah, because it takes a lot of patience because yeah, like this you have to wait. So don't be too angry on this because that's how it works. Yeah, you have all these kind of fancy technology. You have AI, whatever, big data, and all that. Still, to create something still takes time. So it's not like magic. So of course, the marketing guy will say that everything is okay. You can do it fast and all that, but the work behind the scene. So programmers or coders are those who work behind the scene. So when we do, you know that um, it takes a lot of effort to do something, to create something. So we are a creator. You're not consumer. So everybody else are consumers. So creator, when you programmer, you are creator. So when you are creator, it takes patience to build something, but it gives some sort of what really great satisfaction when you do something like this, because yeah, in a way you are changing the world bit by bit. Maybe not as big bang, but it starts somewhere. So at least you do something. So the point is you make a difference when you do coding. Okay, so let's look at our application. Okay, it's compiled correctly now. Now I'm gonna run it. Run the Laravel side. That one is on the front end side. So let's look at this. Okay, where's my application? Hopefully some improvement on the UI. Okay, let me look at back at the codes. Okay, here, so there's going to be like, okay, the username. This one actually is not the username lah. Maybe I need to create the organization. I mean the karya lah in the surau. I think if you look at the original Ihairat, they have this masjid lah. So Pertubuhan Khairat Kematian Penduduk Islam or something lah. So maybe the surau name lah on that one. So I have to do that. Okay. Running. Yeah, you can see that our drop down is here, but yeah, it's working. Yeah, nice. All right, so I'm gonna change this to something else later on. All right, that's all for me for my tutorial video. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to comment or DM us, message us in our OSPROV page. No problem. Don't forget to like, share if you find this useful, or share it to anybody else who you think might find this useful. The point is, we try to make ourselves beneficial to others. So I believe that to make humankind progress, we need to be beneficial to other people. So that's how we progress as a mankind, as the whole. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm Jules Raya from osprov.com. Bye bye.